In this tutorial, we will be walking through how to create your practice in the YourCoach app. Once you have entered your verification code and indicated that you are a coach using the app, it will bring you to this page to create your practice. So from here you can set your practice avatar, which would be an image, your practice name, and a description of your practice. Click Continue. This will bring you to the Categories section, and from here you can indicate what type of solutions you provide with your coaching practice. So, let's just add a few here and click Continue. From here you can add certification documentation for proof for your potential clients to see. And in the settings section, you can indicate if you are a mentor, if you're an experienced health and wellness coach and you want to offer help and guidance to other coaches. And here you can also connect your Calendly account. So in our other tutorial, we created a Calendly account for our clients and potential clients to book schedule time with us. This is where you could enter that link here. I don't have one here, I'm not going to add it. And then we tap on Create. Are we sure? Yes. And now you can see on the main Your Space page, it'll list your practice. And from here, if you need to, you can tap on that pencil icon and you can edit any details about your practice. You'll see this Your Space screen is considered like your dashboard. This will be the main screen that you see when you log into the app. Along the bottom, you have options to look at squads, to-do and goals, community and notifications, and let's walk through each one of those items. So if we tap on squads, and a squad is an iteration of your program, and it can be one person to an unlimited number of participants. So this is something you could use for individual coaching and also for group coaching. I don't have any squads in here yet, and you can also see your direct messages. From here we can look at our to-dos, and these are things that are scheduled within our squads and our to-do lists. And you can tap on goals, and then these are goals from the squads that are set within the squad. If you tap on here, you can see the community. Now this is within the YourCoach app. This is where you can find other coaches on this page, and you can find mentors. So if you're looking for someone to help you get set up in your practice, or just an experienced coach to ask questions, this is where you could find that. And under notifications, this would be any messages or updates in your squads. So any activity within the app would be listed here. Let's go back to Your Space, and at the top this is your practice information. So from here you can tap the icon to edit any of the information about your practice. You can tap on Library to add any documents. You can add contracts. If you tap this, we can add a new folder. You can add content. So from here, it could be an image that you can upload, document, or a link. And this is content that you will share with your clients within your squad as you are running your practice. Now if we look at client contracts, from here this is finances, and this is where you would add your Stripe account to take payments and to also make payments. You could add a payment method here. This would be your credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. This is your Toolbox. This is where you would set up your incoming forms. So questionnaires and contracts would be set up here. So you can use their template questionnaire here, or you can create a brand new one from scratch. And I'll just show you in here in this template, if you wanted to use the template one, they have these questions. Let me add a little description here so I can move forward. These questions, these are all questions that you can add to your own questionnaire. You don't have to use all of them, but you can just delete any of the ones that you don't want to use, and they won't be included. And then you can add sections. You can go to the next section. This is the personal information that you would ask clients before they start with you, and then we can tap Create, and that would be your onboarding questionnaire. On this status screen, you can send the questionnaire to your clients and then see if they have completed it. So you can check the status of the sent questionnaires here. And if we tap back, on the Notes tab, this is where you would have any notes about your clients or your squads. Joined programs is where you would see listed any programs that you have joined as a participant or a client, and then these would be the archived ones.